Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Zello app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you can search about Zello app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can go to Play Store. You will search about Zello app. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.